University vocabulary is important for learners who want to understand academic life. Knowing key terms helps you feel confident when studying or attending university. A professor is a university teacher who gives lectures and helps students learn. Professors are experts in their subject and guide you in your studies. A lecture is a talk given by a professor to a large group of students. Lectures are usually held in big rooms called lecture theaters where you listen and take notes. A semester is a half-year period in a university academic calendar. Most universities divide the year into 2 semesters, each lasting about 6 months, to organize courses and exams. A degree is an official certificate you receive after completing your university studies. It shows that you have gained knowledge in a specific area or subject. The campus is the physical area where the university is located. It includes buildings like lecture halls, libraries, and student housing. Professors are important members of a university faculty. They teach courses, conduct research, and support students as they learn. A student is a person who studies at a university or college. Students attend classes, complete assignments, and prepare for exams as part of their education.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.